Want to learn how to use the not equals to in Excel? I'll show you how to evaluate lots of values with a single click, just like this. Here you have a table with 2 columns and you want to see if their values are the same or different. Begin with an equal sign to start your formula. Select the first value. To see if it's the same, type another equal sign and select the second value. Hit Enter. If it shows false, they aren't the same. Now, to see if they're different, start your formula with an equal sign. And before we go on, hit the subscribe button because every week, I'm gonna give away a complete Excel course worth $300 to 10 of my subscribers. Now, let's continue. Select the first value. To show Excel, you want to see if they're not the same. Put the less than and greater than signs next to each other. Select the second value, hit Enter. If it shows true, that means they are different. To evaluate the other values, double-click the little box at the bottom right of where you wrote the formula. And that's it. Want to do more? Like if the numbers are the same, have Excel say the same instead of true? You can use the if function, but that's magic for another video, which I'll link up here. See you there.